Alright, I got an HP 20 grout pump here with you today. I believe this one's a 2022 model. I got about 200, a little over 200 hours on it, 223 to be exact. The purpose of this video is to show you a couple of safety devices they have installed on this thing, just in case there's an emergency and you need to shut it down. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. The first one is this thing's in neutral, as you can see. Forward, neutral, reverse. The first safety thing on this is you can't just come up here and lift this thing up and down. You have to pull this and go up or down. Now notice it's in reverse right now and it is not cycling. The pump is not cycling. That is because when you're in neutral, this pump and gauge, you have to hit pump and gauge, and you see the little green box? Now it'll work. So now when I go forward, it cycles. Okay? Somebody's hollering at me, something's wrong with the pump, I need to shut it down. This safety stop right here shuts down the cycle. Once that's pulled back out, you got to go back to neutral, hit pump and gauge, and it'll go again. This safety switch is to shut down the S2. There's another one on this side. You hit it, it shuts the pump down. Push that in, it shuts the pump down. You got to twist it and pull back on it for it to start working again. Now again, I can't come over here and push pump and gauge. You have to go to neutral, hit pump and gauge. Engine shut off. Same thing. Hit that, shuts the engine down. You gotta go back to neutral, full safety, start it back up. So as you can see, I started it back up. Now pump and gauge, forward. The other safety feature on this is when you open this up, it shuts it down. Let me show you that one again. Pump and gauge. I got my square green box. I'm going to go forward. It's cycling. See that? It's cycling. The S-tube in here is cycling. Now, it's cycling. As soon as I lift this grate up, it shuts down. It's no longer cycling. As long as that grate's up, I cannot do anything. Even with I can't even light up my box. Okay? Now with this grate closed and pump cycle is on, and you're cycling just like so, you 100% can open up the back of this hopper that is held on by these two bolts. There's one here, there's one here I've already took out. It's 1.5 inches. You can 100% open up this back of this hopper by pushing or pulling, and it will still cycle. I will show you. I've opened up the back of the hopper and it is still cycling. There's no manufacturer safety for this when this thing is open for it to shut down. Why is that? Because you can sit here and grab your water hose and you can spray in there while you're cleaning it out with water. Notice that is cycling. The only way to shut that down is to come over here and go to neutral, and then it stops. Don't ever stick your hand in there. Sometimes you get some you get some buildup in that S tube. I usually get a chipping hammer and chip that out, and then I'll get a stick or use my chipping bit and work that out of there, or spray it with water. Because this thing will hold energy. I've been dealing with these pumps about a little over 5 years now. I've never had it cycle when I have it neutral or when I turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off. It's not moving. But for safety reasons, you don't ever want to stick your hand in there because it's cycling. But as far as safety features go on these pumps, you have an emergency shutoff for your engine. You have 2 emergency shutoffs for your cycling. And then this sensor right here is what operates the grate. So when this grate comes open and it loses connectivity right here, it shuts down. Now, to put this back together, you simply close it. Run those 2 bolts in right here. And you're good to go. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.